Okay, we are 5 minutes from the Macon, Georgia Supercharger. We're headed west on I-16, and according to the map, we'll be there in just 4 minutes. So what we're going to do is obviously speed it up, because who wants to watch 4 minutes of me driving on the highway? And obviously I'll slow that back down if we have anything interesting to report before we get there. So, until then, super speed! In case you're wondering why I have the battery temperature display up, it's because we're in Ludicrous Mode. We're also trying out an experiment about the new Supercharger software. Alright, so nav on autopilot does handle this exit just fine. Alright, we get off, we're going to make a left. Yes, thank you. Alright, so we'll go ahead and, now that nav on autopilot is exited, we're also going to exit regular autopilot. Looks like there would be a stoplight here, but there's not. I don't know if it's down for this construction, maybe they'll add one, or maybe they won't. They do have a stop sign, which does the trick. Okay, the location is on Martin Luther King Boulevard. So Martin Luther King Boulevard, and it is an 8 stall. There are 6 available at the moment. So we'll see if we have any Tesla friends, or if it is just because some of them are broken. Model 3. So if that guy was one of the ones, then there are only 5 stalls available now instead of 6. Or there are 7 stalls available now instead of 6. But we'll find out. We're going to make a left on 5th Street. Might have to put the camera down. There's a lot of police activity. Alright, so... oh, there's a parade. So... I don't know where to go from here. So... let's go left. That puts us in the right direction. Alright, so we would go ahead up to where those police are and make the left. But obviously, that is not what we're doing today. Wow, lady, you completely ran that red light. I got you on all kinds of cameras with this. I don't know if it's a sports thing, or if it's homecoming, or... oh, it's too late in the year for homecoming, isn't it? Anyway, we made the left, now we're going to make this right, if it's not blocked off. Terminal Avenue. That is that's a hard pass there. Terminal Avenue is a unpaved road. Cherry Street. So my friend George told me to look out for the cherry blossoms. It looks like we may be in for a treat. So we're gonna get over to 3rd Street later and see what we see. How's it going?
Are you in the parade?
No, we're going to the Supercharger right here.
You can't get anywhere. All these streets are blocked off.
It's not in the street. It's what is this place here? The museum?
Which museum?
That's our fueling station right there. The Tubman Museum?
That's that building right there.
Can we get
the
to it?
gold building.
All right, perfect. Thank you. So we'll be turning left up ahead as soon as we can. Yeah, they have a parade, so they're closing the street. We should just join the parade. So we don't have to do that. We're gonna make this left here at the Tubman Museum, avoiding pedestrians. And there we go. A little bit of a steep ingress. So if you have the air suspension, you might want to raise it. And So any concerns you have during a parade about the safety of this location are moved. There's police everywhere. And here are the Superchargers. And of course, there is someone blocking it with a Camaro. So let's see what we've got here. That's 1A. Oh, these are interesting letters. They've been like home done. 4A. So we will go to, is he on 3? No, he's on 2. So we're going to go to 3B. That way we're not sharing with anybody. And here we go. And the car is pretty much up to temperature. Okay, as I said earlier, sorry about the music and such, there's a parade going on. The layout of this station is not the typical. It is all the B's on one side and all the A's on the other. So 1B is next to 4A, and then you've got your supercharger equipment cabinet right here. We've got an icer right here. No, he's not an icer. No, he's not an icer. Okay. I guess he moved it. He was icing it, I think, when he came in. No matter. Doesn't matter. He's not icing it now. Alright, so the nearest I can see is the Tubman Museum. I think it's probably closed on Sunday, or at least for this parade. When you've got the NBC News Station affiliate. Like I said, there's a lot in walking distance, so I'm still going to go ahead and give this one their 6. Doesn't look like it has a whole lot going on at night. Plus it is Macon, Georgia, so I don't know that I'd recommend any long nighttime stays. So let's take a look at their hours. And with the music, I'll probably have to overdub all of this. Alright, closed Sunday and Monday. And then Tuesday to Saturday, 9 to 5. And there is an admission fee. It's hard to get with the reflection. So there's no readily available garbage or restroom 24/7 or even late into the night. Directly on the supercharger. There's a dumpster in there that you can use without authorization, meaning illegally, not that they've said it's okay. And then there's the supercharger equipment. So here are the 8 stalls. We're going to go next to the 10 stalls of the supercharger and hopefully get some relief. Okay, so the Macon, Georgia supercharger, the original one, by the Harriet Tubman Museum, off Martin Luther King Street, we are going to give that a 6 out of 10. They have a lot within walking distance. It's definitely a daytime charger, and it's nice. It's a small town. I liked it, but there's no trash directly attached. The restrooms close really early, and they're not even open Sunday and Monday. And my rating for these superchargers is whether they are available for nighttime travel or any long distance travel. I mean, it's a great local supercharger. It seems like something they would have actually installed as a urban supercharger had they existed when it got installed. So for daytime, I give it a 6, and for nighttime, I give it a 2. It's good power if you need it, but I wouldn't stop there at night. Alright, we'll catch you at the next Macon, Georgia supercharger. Hopefully it's a little more travel friendly. It looks like it's right off I-75. We'll find out in a minute.